I've built a new FPV screen. I was gonna make a video of how I build this, but I've made a couple of videos like that already. So today I want to teach you 6 things that are necessary to design and build something like this. It will show more or less my process, how I work to design, products like this. This is the new one and this is the old. And it still works with the magnetic mounting. Look at this. Tip number 1, you need to buy the electronics, or you need to have it in your hand. This is really important because you can't just design based on the datasheet online. You need to have it in your hand. You need to measure everything. You need to see how thick it is, how big, and so on. Where are the connection points? This is really important to physically have it. And that brings me to the second point. Measure everything. Get yourself one of those. This is a vernier caliper. It's accurate down to 0.1 millimeter and it's used for measuring things, obviously. So basically you just close off the jaws like this, and this thing here is a scale and gives you an accurate reading of the dimension. I basically measure everything and then reproduce it in the 3D software if it's not available online. So that's why the first point, you need to have the electronics in your hand and you need to be able to measure it with the vernier caliper. Tip number 3, get yourself some hardware. So buy some heat inserts of different sizes, buy some screws of different type. You can buy a countersunk. This is to basically have a selection so that you can choose whatever is needed for the design. You're not limiting yourself just because you don't have it. And the last, 6th tip is assembly and testing. Assemble everything and make sure it works, and then I usually like to test it for at least a month to make sure it's really sturdy and it can withstand everyday life. So I've been testing this for a month and it works perfectly well, and I'm really happy with it. So you are welcome to take the files. The links are in the description below, and the driver can be bought on AliExpress. I have the link for there as well. It's an affiliate link, so I get a bit of money if you do end up buying it. And probably the very last step is print it from something different than PLA. So I've used PLA here and it works fine, but PLA is not very resistant to UV rays. You should be using something like ABS or ASA filament. And for this reason, I've partnered with PCBWay. PCBWay is an online service that allows you to print 3D print, CNC, cut aluminum. Basically, what I will do is I'll take this design and I'll send them the files and they send me back the finished prints, and then I can just swap all the hardware electronics into the new prints, and I'll probably go with white again, kind of like it. Make everything nice and white, contrasty. That's it for this video today. Let me know how you design, how you approach the process of designing. This is my own process. It's not perfect, but it's something that I learned along the way. And yeah, see you guys later.